Hello, I haven't been here for a long time. I haven't been disappointed with the channel and my work, nor will I be. I'm just Iranian and we were attacked by Falcon of Freedom, maybe. Our government also cut off our internet for a while. You didn't click for this, so we have nothing to do with it. A lot of things have been released in this time, but I've been waiting for a laptop like this since the M3. A laptop with powerful enough mobile chips and a cheap price that is definitely a winning product for Apple. And it was exactly what I expected. Just let's the video. If I have to compare the overall feel of the product to one of Apple's products, it would definitely look like a regular iPad, with a very cheerful color scheme, a large display bezel, and high color contrast. It wants to make you understand that I am entry-level. But it is still very well built. The aluminum body, a hinge that opens with one hand, extremely thin and light, really thin and light, only 2.7 pounds. The keyboard is the same as MacBook Pro keyboard, just without backlight. The touchpad is large, there is Touch ID. Actually, only the 512GB version has Touch ID. And actually, 256GB, not upgradable, is bad enough that you want to buy 512. Just solid Apple-built Ultrabook. The ports also give you the same feeling. Only one USB 3 and one USB 2 and a 3.5mm audio jack. Yes, one of the ports is also occupied for charging. It is not a Pro, but USB 2? Really? In terms of wireless, it is complete, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 6. If we don't make the mistake of being strict and comparing things wrong, the display is really good in this range. In fact, it's the same display we saw on MacBook Airs 3-4 years ago. And we're happy with it. 2K, IPS LCD, 10-bit, full sRGB support. The brightness is good, the quality and sharpness are excellent. However, it doesn't fully support DCI-P3 and the contrast isn't very deep. But hey, it's $600. The speakers are also, as always, a masterpiece in their price range. The loudness and sharpness of the sound are really good. It's no surprise that the benchmarks show the same numbers as the iPhone 16 Pro, because it has the exact same A18 Pro chip here, with 8GB of RAM but a weaker SSD. 1500 megabits per second read speed. If I were to compare it to other MacBooks, its numbers are very close to the M1, which is still considered good enough, but its single-core processing is close to the M4. If I were to say it simply and in real use, it's the best laptop for everyday work. It's extremely smooth, there is no slowdown in the UI, it handles light multitasking easily, you can sometimes feel the lack of RAM. The new macOS is heavier than before, but it's not a deal breaker. It has a webcam and microphone that are perfectly acceptable for video calls. To be honest, if you don't use too many effects and aren't a real-time renderer, editing is also quite possible with it. Don't expect gaming from it at all, and is good for light programming. Like other MacBooks, its performance is the same whether plugged or unplugged, and its battery life is completely unbeatable for its price. Apple says 16 hours of video playback. You may not be able to actually test this, but it will last a full day. The base price for the MacBook Neo is $500 if you're a student, $600 if you're not. It used to be that it didn't matter if you were a student or not, and you could pay $500 anyway. But now it requires an ID. It's the right place in the market, it's targeted at the right audience, and it's exactly what it should be. I was waiting for it, and Apple didn't disappoint. It's going to make a lot of money from this. About what I said at the beginning of the video, I don't know if you'd like me to make a video about it, or I don't have a huge audience to talk about these topics, but if you want, I'll talk about it a little. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it, and if you like my content, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, see you next video.